Fifth floor, glass building. Empty conference rooms. Snack wall, never refilled. A species that avoids daylight. 2 monitors. 1 coffee mug. 0 eye contact. This is the software engineer. Habitat. Open floor plan. He hates it. Diet. Cold coffee. Warm energy drinks. Mystery leftovers from the office fridge. Mating call. Quick question. It is never quick. Watch. 17 browser tabs open. 4 are ChatGPT. 2 are Claude. 1 is Cursor. Already writing the code before he finishes the sentence. Closing a tab. Physical pain. Slack message arrives. Status. In a meeting. Reality. Bathroom. Best ideas happen there. Nobody knows why. Science hasn't caught up. 9 a.m. Daily stand-up. What'd you do yesterday? Stuff. What are you doing today? More stuff. 15 minutes. Nothing learned. Everyone standing the whole time. Nobody knows why that part's mandatory. Jira board. 40 tickets. In progress since March. 1 ticket just says, fix bug. No other details. He wrote that ticket 6 months ago. He has no idea what it means now. Calendar invite pops up. Quick sync. 15 minutes, it says. 45 minutes later, nothing decided. 1 new meeting scheduled. This is called productivity. Standing desk. Expensive. Motorized. The desk stands. He doesn't. A monument. Right next to the keyboard. Code review time. Someone left a comment. Knit. Rename this. 11 more comments. All starting with knit. Nothing is actually broken. Everyone's feelings are, though. Something breaks in prod. Watch the stages. Panic. Denial. Not my code. Bargaining. Let me ask the AI. 40 prompts later. Acceptance. 1 missing semicolon. He'll tell this story for years. Like he survived a war. It works on my machine. Said with total confidence. Like a bomb tech. Diffusing a bomb. He built wrong. On purpose. On-call week. Phone buzzes. 3 a.m. Production's down. He's awake in seconds. More awake than at his own wedding. Fixes it in his pajamas. Goes back to sleep. Tells nobody. Nobody says thank you. Rubber duck on the desk. Explains the bug to it. Out loud. Solves it mid-sentence. The duck gets 0 credit. Every time meeting starts, ask yes or no. Get a whiteboard diagram. 3 caveats. 1 database joke. Nobody asked for it. Nobody laughed. Strong opinions? Tabs versus spaces. Will fight to the death. Ask him lunch instead. System failure. No opinion found. Dark mode. Everything. The IDE. The terminal. The Slack app. Even the calculator. Sunlight enters the room once. He closes the blinds. Immediately. GitHub profile. Little green squares. Miss 1 day. Guilt kicks in. Like skipping a gym membership. Already paid for. Side project on GitHub. 11 stars. 9 are his alt accounts. Last commit. 2 years ago. Still listed as actively maintained. Performance review time. Team player, it says. Translation? Works alone. Headphones on. Do not knock. Unless the building's on fire. Even then, after this function finishes running. LinkedIn post? Excited to announce. He fixed a typo. 200 likes. Nobody read the actual post. Renames a variable 4 times. Same sitting. Feature still not done. But that variable name? Perfect. Nobody will read it. Except him. Parking lot. 7:45 a.m. Same spot. Every day. Headphones on before the car's parked. Human contact avoided. Successfully. Lunch. Same order. Every single day. Drive-thru worker knows his order. He doesn't know her name. HR training day. Camera off. Second monitor. Actual work happening. Nobody's fooled. Everybody does it. Thanksgiving. Relative asks what he does. 4-minute explanation. Relative nods. Understands nothing. Asks him to fix the Wi-Fi instead. Now the real chaos. React. Vue. Angular. A holy war. In the Slack channel, the actual user just wants the app to load. Doesn't know. Doesn't care. Never will. Here's the twist. He used to write code. Now he describes it to an AI in English. Badly. The AI writes it anyway. Nobody tells him it's the prompting. Everyone lets him believe it's the experience. Self-taught in 5 languages. Translation? 1 tutorial per language. AI wrote the rest. Lists all 5 on LinkedIn. Like a fluent diplomat. VPN drops. Mid-deploy. He panics harder than during the actual outage. Reconnects. Deploys fine. Heart rate isn't. Bedtime. In bed. By midnight. Physically. Mentally. Still debugging an API call. Fixes the bug in a dream. Wakes up. Forgets it. Spends all day tomorrow trying to remember the dream. Instead of fixing it awake. Airport security. Laptop out. Shoes off. Still thinking about Thursday's merge conflict. HOA sends a lawn notice. He's automated 3 things this month. At work, the lawn, untouched, deprioritized. Standing desk. Still standing, still empty. Mug's empty too. Third, refill. Today, keyboard clicks. 2 hours vanish. Nobody knows where they went. Not even him. But here's what the cameras don't usually show. Pause for a second. Past the empty mug. Past the 17 tabs. Past the hoodie. In July, this is the species that built the banking app in your pocket. The system that rebooked your flight mid-storm. The software behind every card swipe. At Costco this weekend, he argued with a machine all day. A machine he's smarter than. A machine that reboots faster than his Monday motivation. And still, he shipped it. He fixed it. He made it work. On his machine. Eventually, on everyone else's too. So here's to the software engineer. Allergic to sunlight. Fluent in sarcasm. Running on caffeine. AI subscriptions. Unresolved anxiety. The reason your Wi-Fi works. Your bank app opens. Your flight got rebooked. Underappreciated. Over-caffeinated. Absolutely essential. Roast him all you want. Just not near his keyboard. He'll patch the joke out in the next update.